So, so the fuse is connected. Each fuse rating is 30 ampere, 125 volts DC. Then this is connected to the circuit breaker. Why we have to connect to the circuit breaker means, so it can circuit breaker, it is acts as a switch. It can be isolate the this your solar system. In any outage, planned outage or unplanned outage, you can isolate this by using the circuit breaker. So what is the circuit breaker rating? So here you can see this is 30 ampere and 30 ampere. 30 plus 30, 60 ampere. So circuit breaker rating should be 60 ampere and voltage is 125. Then this is connected to your solar charge controller. Why? Because we are using the battery bank. This is the battery bank. Here this is one battery and this is another battery. These two batteries are connected in series. And series connection is parallel to this one and this one, this one. So here 6 is across all this parallel connection. So that's why this is the system voltage is 12 volts you can consider. Why? Because this is 12 volt battery. And so when you are using these batteries to maintain the voltage rating and current rating, that means overcharging and over discharging, solar charge controller must be there. Right. Solar charge controller function is to prevent the overcharging and over discharging. So this solar charge controller is also chooses based on the current rating and voltage rating, that is 60 ampere and 120 volts. You can also choose the same rating of circuit breaker here also. Right. So this is right. So this is we discussed that after at junction box 10 modules are connected. So short circuit current capacity will be 10 into 5.0, that is 50.7 amperes we are getting. So that's why we are choosing the 60 ampere. Okay. This is we are choosing 50.7 ampere we are getting. So more than that we are choosing, that is 60 ampere. This one. Junction box may be kept in the inside, then the operating temperature will be decreases to somewhat 40 degrees centigrade. Then you will choose the cable size is 8 SWG. So here the cable size is 8 SWG. Okay. That is standard wire gauge size. Okay. So here now you can choose the cable size here. Here we are choosing, this is 12 SWG, right? This is also 12 SWG based on the current rating and temperature we have chosen. And here we have chosen the based on current rating and temperature we have chosen, this is 6 SWG. Now here there is no equipment, so this side and this side the same. Here the cable sizing 6 SWG, that is gauge number. This is also 6 SWG. Corresponding to this gauge number, there will be the diameter. 6 SWG means I think that is 2.5 mm. Now you have to choose the cable sizing here. So this battery is supplying to the this side DC loads, and what is the current rating of, first we will discuss this. Here the circuit breaker is connected. What will be this circuit breaker? You have to. So here, right, for DC loads we have the 5 ampere. We have chosen the load current is 5 ampere. So fuse current should be what? 1.25 times, that is 6.25 ampere. Okay. So you can choose either fuse or circuit breaker. So if you choose fuse, then you can choose the 10 ampere. The circuit breaker you have chosen, then 15 ampere rating you have to go. Then based on this, the temperature, that is DC load. And for AC side also you can calculate. Right. So we have chosen the inverter, that is 0.5 kilowatt or 500 watt. So and the voltage is we have chosen, that is 10.75. You have to know how much current is flowing, and that current rating should be 1.25 times. That means we have overloading up to 25%. So input voltage, sorry, input power by voltage into 1.25. Input power is 500 watts that we have chosen, right? And this is 10.75 into 1.25. You will get AC current. You can choose more than that, 80 ampere. So this one here you can choose the 80 ampere. You can choose this one is the 80 ampere and voltage up to 125. Now corresponding to this current, I am telling. So that is SWG 6. And here you have to, you can right. So up to now, this is the example we have taken. Connect any number of panels, or you can connect any number of strings or arrays. You can calculate the fuse rating and cable sizing. I hope. Right. So there are not only PVCs, there are different in this FDP and SAM. These are the different softwares available to design the solar PV system. And all the softwares has will be given for 30-day trial with full features.